How to use iPhone reminders. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your reminder app. Here we go. Now this kind of page will appear. Over here, firstly you will find 4 sections as today, scheduled, all and completed. In today's section, you will find all of your today's reminders. Likewise in schedule, you will find those reminders that are scheduled. And in all section, you will find all of your reminders. In completed section, you will find all of those reminders that have been completed. Likewise, here you can find your list. And at the bottom left corner, you can find the option of new reminder. You can tap on it to create a reminder. Here, first you can give a title. And you can add something to your note. Now tap on the option details and just select the date. Likewise, select the time by tapping on this icon. If you want to repeat it, you can just tap on this option and set it. Likewise, you can toggle on for this location and set location as well. Also, you can go to this option of priority and set it. And now you are good to go. You can tap on add. This is how you add a new reminder. Likewise, in the case you want to add list, you can tap on the option add list given at the bottom right corner. Now here you can create it. Also, you can change the color of the icon. And now you are good to go. Tap on done given at the top right corner. This is how you add a new list. I hope now you guys are clear about it. In the case you want to customize this page, you can tap on edit given at the top right corner. From here, you can easily remove any of the thing you would like to. Here, let's remove today and delete grocery from the list. Tap on delete, tap on delete, and tap on done given at the top right corner. This is how you use iPhone reminders. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.